Hey there, on your Echo Dot 5th Gen with clock, you have tried playing YouTube but Alexa couldn't play it. We're going to show you one quick way that you can add YouTube and effortlessly stream it on your Echo device. We're using iPhone for this video, but this process is exactly the same for any Android. For that, just say, "Hey Alexa, turn on Bluetooth," or "Hey Alexa, search Bluetooth."
Searching. I don't see anything to connect.
It doesn't matter if Alexa says she can't find any Bluetooth device. All you have to do is just go to your Bluetooth settings, and in the other devices section, you will see the Echo Dot 5's name. When you do, just tap on it and pair them together.
Now connected to iPhone.
And that's it. Whenever you play YouTube videos or music, the sound will come out of your Echo Dot clock. And next time, when you want to reconnect them or repair them again, just tell, "Hey Alexa, connect to my iPhone,"
Now connected to iPhone.
or "Hey Alexa, connect to my Android."
Now connected to Fix 369S Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra.
That's all. And this is how easily you can play YouTube on your Echo Dot clock. Thanks for watching.